Hi, I am Tracy, of Apglos. In this tutorial, I will teach you how to go to the configuration screen of the GNSS receiver, Altus NR3. This GNSS receiver is of high quality. But first, this. Please, subscribe on our channel. You will be notified when we upload a new video. Search the button that looks like this, and click on it. Make sure you have a Wi-Fi connection with the Altus NR3. If you don't know how, please check this tutorial. Let's start. Open your browser. Activate the address bar and type 192.168.20.1. Then tap Enter. Now, you are connected with the configuration screen of the GNSS receiver, Altus NR3. In other tutorials, I will teach you how to use this configuration screen of the Altus NR3. If you like the video, click the like button. If you have any comment or question, please use the comment area. I will reply as soon as possible. Don't forget to subscribe on our channel. Thanks for watching.